Coach Pough knows reservation.
Yeah. We're doing it again. Reservations for Buddy Pough.
Welcome back, Coach.
Coach Pough knows camp etiquette.
Earl, why you gonna track sand in the RV? Take your shoes off.
Coach Pough. Coach Pough knows sun safety.
Remember now, the number means the amount of time before you need to reapply.
Woo!
You know, we do need sunscreen too.
Right on. Coach Pough knows bird watching.
Hey, Coach, what's that? Boy, that's an osprey.
What's that?
That's an eastern brown pelican.
Hey, Coach, what's that?
Woo! That's an alligator. We got to get out of here.
Coach Pough knows how to find that hardware.
What do we have here?
Let's go.
If you want it, you got to get it out the mud. Woo!
Coach Pough knows how to rest and relax, baby.
That's what I'm talking about. Woo!
Coach Pough knows the Unity Blaze.
When you see this logo, you know you're invited and welcome.
Right on, Coach. Coach Pough knows South Carolina state parks. Coach Pough knows quiet hours.
Earl, turn that music down. It's quiet hours.
For real? Man, Coach.